If you're a student and have a laptop in 2026, you already have a lead. Most people, they just waste it. They just fall into a vicious cycle of making excuses. I don't have money, I don't have a mentor, I don't have an RTX 5050 machine with 24 gigabytes of RAM, 2 TB SSD, liquid cooling, and but the reality is they don't lack resources, they just lack direction. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways in which you can make most out of your laptop. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 3 dedicated paths which you can follow to maximize your potential. So cut to the chase. Point number 1, learn. The internet is literally flooding with information that can either make you or break you. There are resources available, both paid and free, with which you can learn new things every day. Filmography, photography, content marketing, communication skills, you name it. I want you to do this. Open YouTube, search video editing courses. Amidst a bit of chaos, you'll find some gems that will even compete with paid courses. Info is just their line, you just need to bring your hand forward to it. Point number 2, create. Professionals don't use laptop or desktop for the heck of it. Laptops are really powerful machines that can handle a lot of things. Video editing, thumbnail designing, post designing, and even content creation. A laptop can handle it. Everyone has some form of natural creativity. You just need to discover it. A laptop gives you leverage over a mobile phone for mainly these 3 reasons. A bigger display, a keyboard, and a capable operating system, be it Windows, Mac, or Linux. With this, a big doorway opens for you. Programming. In 2026, even a person from non-IT background can learn coding and start creating meaningful things. That means penetration is much more simpler today. With programming, you can build apps, websites, projects, or even build meaningful things with AI. You just need to explore a bit. Point number 4, earn. Making money using internet is hard, but it's not impossible. I know you heard it all. Freelancing, internships, they're all available. But have you ever done it? They're really capable and you can earn real money through it. By cold DMing, cold emailing, and building a network with platforms like LinkedIn, they can open a whole world of possibilities for you. Point number 5, leverage and scale. With a laptop, you can manage yourself and your work. Most of the things I mentioned earlier can be done using a smartphone too, but a laptop gives you that extra leverage to polish your outputs and maximize your results. Now, as I shared with you earlier in this video, I'm going to share you 3 dedicated paths which you can follow to maximize your potential. So, path number 1. In this, you'll pick one skill, editing, design, or coding. Learn it through, build a sample project around it, just search online for challenges or something, and post it online. Path number 2, the builder route. In this, you'll pick a programming language, say Python or C++. Learn its basics, YouTube is a good resource, I tell you, and make a project. Search it online too. And after that, post it on GitHub and LinkedIn. Path number 3, the creator route. Learn basic editing, scripting, filmography, and production of a video. Make a video, documentary, or a short film and post it on YouTube. I challenge you to pick any of these 3 paths. Spend 60 minutes a day for the next 10 days of your life, and you will be surprised by your own results. Resources aren't the ones limiting your potential. It's mostly your habits. Most of the things I mentioned earlier can be done using a smartphone too. You just need to start. You choose whether you use your laptop for an escape or an exit route. Choose wisely. So that's it. If you gained any value from this video, consider liking it and don't forget to comment down your progress after 10 days. And if you have any suggestions, just drop them there. If you'd like to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. And this is Vidansh Pipre signing off.